Okay,
ma'am.
so hello, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I am very fine and pretty well. What about you, ma'am?
I am also doing well, and please don't call me ma'am. You just call me Mansi. Okay.
Okay, Mansi. Okay, first, we are meeting very first time, so I would like to
Yes.
introduce myself first.
Yeah. I also want
Yeah,
to know about yourself.
yeah. Just one. Okay. So, I am Monica Gupta. I am from Gwalior, MP. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have hold two degrees. I have done masters from English literature, and second one is B.Ed honors from the English and SST. And if I talk about my extra qualification, I have done CTET qualified both junior and secondary. Both papers are qualified, and now I am pursuing PhD. PhD. I'm preparing for PhD examination. So that's about. I have two children. Blessed with two children, and those are both are sons. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. Glad to know this, all the things about you. So now it's my turn. Shall I introduce myself?
Yeah. Of course.
Okay, so as you know that my name is Mansi. I basically belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about
Okay.
my qualification, I have done master in English literature from Dayana Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Kanpur University. Apart from this, I am pursuing PGCR from Indira Gandhi National Open Institute. And right now, I am running my YouTube channel name of English Dose 27. I'm teaching as well. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, that's very fine. And Mansi, if I talk about your qualification, what you have done, ma'am? Sorry,
I have done
Mansi,
master. I have done
masters,
master, yes, in English literature. The same
English
stream
literature.
what you have done. Yes.
Yes. So nowadays you are a YouTuber, right?
Yes. I am
Okay,
running
so
YouTube.
okay,
Mhm.
you take classes on only online or offline?
No. I think before 1 year I was running my offline institute as well. But now I'm just giving only 1 hour there. And particularly, I'm just taking a one-to-one session online mode.
Okay,
Because I'm
okay.
preparing for government exam as well. So for me, it is really very difficult to manage time because government exam, I think it's really very tough
Yeah,
to
I know.
qualify.
I know.
Yes,
It
so
sounds
that's
pretty
why.
well because Mansi, before actually 3 years ago, I have also prepared for government examination. As you
Okay,
know that na RPSC vacancies last year before past 6 months, 6 months ago, I have
okay,
cracked the exam RPSC examination. That was a school lecturership as intermediate college. I have
okay.
passed, but there is a actually posting is so far from my house, from my state. Another state,
Hmm.
I have to go there, and for me, there is too difficult to survive. I can't live without
Miss
my
this
family.
opportunity.
Yes,
You miss this
I have lost.
opportunity.
Yes.
You know what? I don't think so. If you're posting far and nearest, you should join it. First, you should join it because you know what? Now I can say government job is a second life. If you
Yes.
get, it means you will get every, not everything, but whose person this is dream. I want to be a government employee. So in the term of that, that things everything for that person. For me, even I am like I have been preparing for many, not a many years, but yeah, 2 3 years I have already spent in this field. So for me, it is really, I'm very fascinated to just do, but I don't know what is written on my destiny and if government job is written on destiny or not. But I am preparing. The inner core is my that. Anyhow, I have to join it. Let's see.
This is
But but now I'm thinking. I think not government job, but also whatever you are doing, just polish first from there because the God give me a lots of opportunity in this field when I think let's stop this teaching and then I get
yeah.
opportunity. So I think like this is something what I really want to do that, but my inner soul, my like my passion where I want to do that, that's I'm just juggling between works. coachings, yeah, government jobs. But finally, yeah, just 2026, I realized what I have to do. So yes, I'm
You
just
are
planning
married
about
or
this.
you are bachelor yet?
Yes, I'm bachelor.
Got Okay, so after got married, Mansi, I would say कि so many responsibilities in your shoulder. So
Yes.
if I talk about my family, so I have actually I'm living in joint family. So there
Mm-hmm.
are so many things कि but after you go outside or any other state. So what is the atmosphere there? So many things keep in
Yeah.
mind at that time. So that's why my husband is not allowed to go outside, and he should go online something like
Mm-hmm.
private teaching is also very beneficial right nowadays. You can see na much salary they enough
Hmm.
salary schools
Yes.
get every teacher. So if I
Hmm.
talk about my past teachings, I had been teaching since 8 years in UP.
Okay.
I am from UP basically, from
Mm-hmm.
Agra. So
Okay.
I have a lot of experience in teaching, and right now I am a YouTuber and try to focus on my improving my speaking skills and
Okay.
so many things. I'm very passionate to learn new things, like
Hmm.
you. Yes.
That's also good thing. As you mentioned, na, like you basically belong to Agra. You from
Yes.
Agra. So like my born place is Agra. I was born there.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I was born
Yeah, I
there.
had, yes, I had been living there, I can say 7 to 8 years.
Okay.
So after that, I came Kanpur with my granny, and now I'm just living there. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so have you any topic discussing about that topic?
I do not have any topic. Actually, this is a sudden meeting. Just can you please tell me what is your channel name, by the way?
My channel name is Monica Gupta, and
Okay.
I am also. This is the beginning from of my YouTube channel. 2 months ago, I have started my YouTube channel, and there is not enough response because I didn't get time to upload daily videos. So that's why
Okay.
there is some obstacles I have to face from to grow my channel. But I will try
Hmm.
my best daily to upload a video at a fixed time. I will try
Hmm.
daily. As you know that now for the marriage woman there is a so many responsibilities now, home
Yes.
things or kids also. Matlab, retain the kids is too much difficult. It's the
Yes.
parenting journey is
I
literally a
I
difficult one.
can't, yes, I can't say this thing I can resonate with you. But yeah, of course I can understand because when you have a lots of responsibility, first the husband responsibility, mother-in-law, father-in-law, house like house and children, so we forget our time, right? Sometimes I feel I'm just forgetting to give time of myself because nowadays I think in 2025 my whole year was very busy, so I can think
Yeah.
like I forget to like what I say, to manage my health routine, what I have to do because I'm very health conscious person. So that's why I'm saying like when you have a lot on plate, we forget what is really very important. But I'm just realizing I think everything is important, but first you should give the priority of your career, whatever you want to do. If you really want to
Yes,
grow
definitely.
yourself, right, over your
Yes.
YouTube, yeah, anything, what is in your plan, what is in your dream. So if you really want to grow, so I think at least 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 1 hour you should give of yourself. This is really very important because when the time grow, when the time fly, you can't do anything. You just regret it at that time. At least I
Yes.
had given a 6 month at that time, right? So whatever you
Definitely.
have, I can understand the thing. Everybody has their problems, works, lots of things. But this is
Yes.
our accountability. First, we have to give at least 1 hour for ourselves. That's things I realized in 2025. This is really very important.
Very right. I totally agree with you, Mansi, because time and tide wait for none. This is the correctly
Yes.
said, because if you don't get or don't take out time for yourself, so nobody gives you importance.
Right.
Everything going on, everything is going on smoothly, but you have to take out some time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 25 minutes daily. This is
Yes.
my thinking, totally my thinking, because when I upload my videos and I try to say that in my every video, I will try कि in my viewers also कि you should take out 1.5 hour or 1 hour daily by your
Hmm.
busy schedule. So this is your
Yes.
thinking. Very nice thought you have, and same I have actually.
Yeah, yes, because you know what? If you are available for everyone and whatever you are going to do, you forget it totally because you feel, no, this is my work and now I will do this thing only. So that's why
Yes, yes.
I just changed my perspective. Like, if you have dream, if you really want to do anything in your life, so you just work of your dream. If even like everybody has the same time of period, 24 hours everybody has. So this is our accountability how to manage it. And of course we
How to?
can manage it, right?
But so many people are na, they are underestimated us or taking for granted कि there
Hmm.
is nothing. She only do household chores or nothing else. Na, she cannot
Hmm.
do anything in her life actually. So these are things that topple down our personality as well.
Yes,
So I would
right.
like to say कि, for the homemakers, especially I would like to say for homemakers, they have to get a step ahead for yourself, for their personality grown up.
Hmm.
So this is very important. I would say, because na so many things in our life we have to face actually for married women, I would say ki, day by day they have to face so many difficult steps in family also. So many
Yes.
obstacles are there if they do something else, something better, like
Hmm.
na other people's in the family. So she always faced so many obstacles in her ways to get a step first or go forward in her life. Na, you
Yes,
face
that is
any type
right.
of difficulty in your
Yes,
career?
many times I face these things. That's why I told you 2025 I realized anyhow I have to give the priority of myself. Whatever other thinking, it's not my work because the thinking of the others I cannot change. If we
Yes,
talk
yes.
about, it's not only a married woman, I think there's a lots of unmarried women, yeah, girl facing a such types of issues, maybe family issues, maybe society, locality, relatives, because they are just behind that person and they're always trying to pull you. Whatever you want to do, whether it's good or not,
Yes.
they always interrupt your way, they always create a hurdle in your way. And if you are thinking about that people, you forget your dream. So make sure whatever you are planning, it could be a right, and that is priority. And it is, if it is right, then of course start working for that dream. And one day, like upcoming month, upcoming year, definitely if you are doing your work honestly, so you will reach there. Anyhow, you will reach there.
Definitely, I agree with you, Mansi, because so many things are there. Those are very obstacles and create some type of difficulty or कह
Hmm.
सकते हैं कि मुसीबतें, miserable conditions पैदा कर सकती हैं
Yes.
in our success. So
Hmm.
before 6 months ago, actually, I had been prepared for school lecturer exam RPSC, as I told you right now. So
Hmm.
my mother-in-law helps me a lot. Literally helps me very. My mother-in-law is very a nice woman because she understand me ki what is my daughter-in-law wants from me. So
Hmm.
my second son is very matlab as a he's a toddler stage right now. He's only 3 years old. So I told her कि Mama, I have to prepare for this government exam. So she told me definitely you can do better, and I am with you. So these was matlab, these statement are very heart touching for me because
Hmm.
some everyone is different. If
Yes.
I talk about mother-in-laws are so different in nowadays in matlab in technical age we are surviving, and she is very matlab helpful or careful for me. So I tried my best before 6 months, or when the result out when result to actually 3 months ago result came. So when she told me ki what about your result, so I told mama I have passed, and I have get good merit, in matlab my name is getting in a good merit.
Mm-hmm.
So she told me ki whether you if you selected in government job, so you did or not. Ma'am, I told them ki I told her ki this is depends on you or my husband.
Family.
You allowed me ki you allowed to go other state or not. So she told me ki if you agree or husband agree, so I'm also agreed. But some circumstances now, ki kids with a family, so small kids are there, so we couldn't to survive another state, so I have to quit the job. But I at that time I was very nervous. I am getting so कह सकते हैं कि topple down myself कि मतलब एक अच्छा मेरे हाथ से वो opportunity I
Yes.
have lost at that
Yes,
time.
you missed the boat. You
Yeah,
know
yeah,
what?
yeah.
Nowadays, if you are, you know what? At least you should join it, because teacher job, as I personally feel, you can manage it both things, because teacher job has not a lots of pressure, whether you are like in the comparison of bank job, yeah, SSC job, yeah, anything other departments, right? So if you like if you selected at that time, so you should
Yeah.
not miss the boat. It is like really very important. So if I like would in your place, so I accept this thing. I have a kids, I have like family, but I think what I say, you just missed the boat. I think nothing you say, because you know what?
Uh,
I can feel this thing. Government job, if you are trying, it's change your life. It's change your respect. It's change your perspective. Each and everything. So we
yes, yes,
can manage
definitely.
it, right? And yeah, whatever, like you know very well what was the condition at that time. That's why, because I think in this time nobody can left this thing. Because
No,
now I
I
realize
have
this
to
thing.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, you
Yeah.
continue.
Yes, because I
But
realize this thing.
actually,
Career is very
yeah,
important for women,
already
men,
very important.
for everyone. Very important.
But now, before 1 year ago, I have joined a private job, private school.
Mm-hmm.
The school is very fine and CBSE related to CBSE board. So I am
Mm-hmm.
satisfied with my job right now. Actually, no, some after schooling, I am doing some another work like online YouTube
Mm-hmm.
classes taking, and some one on one like like with you, na Mansi,
Mm-hmm.
likewise. So I will try daily to upload one video at least on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and you also follow me on Instagram, please, Mansi.
Yeah. Sure, sure.
I
I
will
will.
I will share my ID with you, na.
Yeah.
So I'm really very happy to connect with you, Mansi. And this is the time for signing off for me, because my
Okay.
second kid
Okay.
is about to come to from school. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. No issue. No issue. Actually, you know what? Now, 12 o'clock, I have another session. That's why I deny this thing. I cannot available at that time. So,
Okay.
okay, this is really very nice meeting and very short and fine conversation with you. I really enjoyed it. Okay, thank you so much for having me here. Bye bye. Good day. Good day.
Okay, okay. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Same to you.